Springtime has always been a difficult time for gardeners. You can't wait to get out there and put your seeds in the ground, but you have to hold off because you never know, especially here in New England, if you're going to get a sudden burst of cold. It's been a crazy week for weather. The last time I put out a video, I was talking about getting ready for a really big period of rain. And it turned out it wasn't rain after all. It was snow. It got cold and there was sleet and snow all over the yard. Good thing I didn't plant anything. Well, I didn't have to wait long for the rain that was planned because after a day of snow, it came in droves. And the wind and the rain was fearsome. But it really wasn't that fearsome compared to the earthquake that took place a day or so later. The earthquake shook everything from New Jersey up through Boston. My friend in Jersey called me and asked me if I felt it. I said, yeah, I hadn't felt an earthquake since I lived on the San Andreas Fault in San Francisco. But Mother Nature decided to throw something else at us within the week. A solar eclipse. And it's just about complete here in New England. It's about 93% complete. We're not really getting the darkness that you would see in a total eclipse, but the light is definitely changing a little bit. Something I haven't seen besides a solar eclipse in a while is flooding in my yard. And as you can see here, we've got a nice lake forming behind the garden, making things a little bit difficult to garden this season. I always wanted to live on lakefront property. You can see over here, right over my shoulder, there's a lake about 120 feet by 80 feet that's formed in my yard and my neighbor's yard. I don't think it's going to increase the value of my house. I'm going to focus on planting my raised beds soon. And because I have nicely raised beds that are deep, I'll be able to plant plenty of cool season vegetables real soon. I'm looking forward to that. Doesn't matter how crazy things get, we can always find a way to garden no matter what Mother Nature throws at us. That is kind of cool.